Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term GMS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, GMS is a casual way to say good morning in text messages or chats. People use it when they want to greet friends or family quickly and informally. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. GMS first showed up in the early 2000s with the rise of texting and online chats. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and internet users. Now, let's check out how to use GMS in a sentence. Correct example 1. She sent me a quick GMS before starting her busy day at work. Correct example 2. Hey, just wanted to say GMS and hope you have a great day. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said GMS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using GMS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. GMS means a casual greeting for good morning. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with GMS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.